Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all a simple and yummy lamb curry recipe with some coconut gravy. This goes well with all types of bread and rice. During this Christmas season, you can try this and share with your friends and family. So do watch it. So now we'll take the required amount of lamb after cleaning into a pressure cooker, and we'll add some ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, bay leaves and garam masala. You can add garam masala powder or the spices directly into this, and add a required amount of water and cook it in the low flame for 10 to 15 minutes until you get 1 or 2 whistles depending on the pressure cooker type. The lamb has to be cooked properly. And then we'll take another small bowl and add required amount of red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and little garam masala powder if you want, and black pepper if you use. I don't add black pepper in all the curries which I make. Now and then I use. So we'll mix this, adding little water and keep it aside. Now take a frying pan and add some cooking oil. I'm using virgin coconut oil from Costco. You can use any oil you want to. When the oil is ready, you can add some onions and dried red chilies. These dried red chilies, they give some special flavor to the curry. And then add rest of the onions. You can also add some salt so that the onions get cooked faster. And leave it in the low flame for 5 to 10 minutes until they turn slightly golden brown in color. Now we can add some curry leaves into this. Curry leaves along with the coconut oil and coconut gravy gives a very special flavor. I really like it. And we can also add some ginger garlic paste now. If you remember, we already added some ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder along with garam masala while the lamb was getting cooked. So just keeping that in mind, adding a little bit of ginger garlic paste now. And later we can add some chopped tomatoes and green chilies into this. Now we'll stir it well and leave it in the low flame until these tomatoes get cooked. Now adding the gravy mixture which we prepared, the turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder, everything mixed. So after adding this, we'll mix everything and leave it in the low flame for another few minutes. Now I'm adding a little bit of cumin powder into this, and when the gravy is ready, we'll add the cooked lamb and the stock into this. The lamb is already cooked very well, but then it needs to absorb all the spices. So we'll cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes in the low to medium flame. And then once the gravy is thicker and the lamb absorbs everything, we can add the coconut milk to this. Now after adding the coconut milk, leave it in the low flame for 5 to 7 minutes and turn off the gas. Let it remain few more minutes and then you can serve immediately. The yummy, delicious lamb curry with the coconut gravy is ready to serve now. Do try this recipe during this Christmas season. It's simple, yummy and healthy as well. And share your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up on YouTube and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.